So today we're gonna make a chicken Riggy's baked ziti with a no-cook sauce made in the food processor. Rotisserie chicken, got out of cooking that bird. And a lovely cheesy, creamy mixture that we're gonna put in the middle. So it's gonna be sauce, cheesy Riggy's middle, more sauce, bakey, no cookie. Then take out, top with cheese, back under broiler. All you gotta do is open the oven 2 times, quickly. Boop, 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 boop. Done. So, for the no-cook sauce for our chicken Riggy's no-boil ziti, 1 can of Italian tomatoes. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of passata, which is made from raw tomatoes. Comes in the glass jars. You get 3 cups in a jar, so 2/3 of a jar, or 1 can of tomato puree or tomato sauce. A little crushed oregano. A little crushed red pepper flake. A little fennel. Basically, our sauce is gonna taste like a sausage. Yum. A couple of fat cloves of garlic. Good olive oil, a little EVOO, a few turns of the bowl. Couple of leaves of basil into our sauce. A little salt. Whoop, over the shoulder. And the secret ingredient, we're going to use chopped hot Italian pickled cherry peppers in the cheese. We're gonna put a splash of the brine, so the vinegar that's sitting in, into our sauce. That's the trick to really good Riggy's. I know, it's good. Zip. You gotta pulse this so you can work the garlic all the way through the sauce, guys. Once you see that's incorporated, pour half of the sauce into a bottom of your 9x13, your regular lasagna bin. Into this bowl, I'm gonna combine 1.5 cups of fresh ricotta cheese. We're gonna add some chopped parsley, 1 egg, boop, 1 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. Well, I'm gonna save that little bit, whatever. About 1/2 cup of the chopped cherry peppers, and about 1 cup of whole milk or 1/2 and 1/2. And a few grates of nutmeg. About 1/8 of a teaspoon of Duya. Mix all this together, and this is what's going to give the pasta its moisture as it's cooking in the sauce. So we're going to take 1 rotisserie chicken, on a smaller side. I buy one about 2.5, 3 pounds. We're going to add the entire pound bag of ziti with limes, ziti ricotta. Boop, totally raw. That's just so fun to me. And then our rotisserie chicken, as much as you have. Kind of just roughly combine this, and then we're gonna put it down into the dish on top of half of our sauce. Into the dish. Then we're going to top it with the rest of the sauce. So we're gonna cover it tightly with foil. And you're gonna throw it in your oven, 375, 400, for about 40 to 45 minutes. Here's one that's been cooking 40 minutes. So we take the foil off, and we add our shredded mozzarella provolone, 1 sack right from the regular grocery store. Down over the top. Yeah, now you're in it, right? All right. Okay, Goldie. So now you cook it till it's brown and bubbly. I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. So remember, this was a no-cook sauce that we made in the food processor, totally raw ziti that we threw into this pan. This one just came out of our culinary team kitchen. Look at that! Whoops! And then we're gonna add a little more torn basil. And then I bring it home with more of my beloved, I love you so much, hot